call. Roll number MCS 20024, Financial Reporting Quality and Audit Committee. And the available documents with the query are 348. We have to see what you have done into this process. So first document is, again, your topic is Financial Reporting Quality and Audit Committee. We have to see both variables into your document: co-determination on audit committee and analysis of potential effects on audit quality. So ऑडिट क्वालिटी की बात हो रही है हम, जबकि फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू सी वेदर ये ऑडिट क्वालिटी जो है इसका फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी के साथ ताल्लुक है, ऑब्वियसली है. दिस पेपर बिटवीन को डिटर्मिनेशन on the audit committee and audit quality using a the audit quality is negatively associated with audit quality. Presence of employee representative on audit committee is negatively. The negative assessment can also be observed for percentage of employees. The percentage of employee representing serving on the audit committee. However, our analysis showed that mentioned finding turn insignificant when employee representatives have accounting expertise. In addition, the type of employee representatives seem to influence audit quality differently. Finding turn significant. Okay, you can include this paper. उसके बाद आ गया how US Audit Committee oversees internal control over financial reporting quality. Financial reporting over financial reporting. Okay, this paper is relevant. Audit committee members' reputation, incentives, and their effectiveness in monitoring the financial reporting process. Okay, this is also relevant. The influence of perspective taken by audit committee on auditor and client judgment during accounting disputes. Audit committee that encourages auditors and clients to consider accounting dispute from other party. Experiment 1 suggests this approach that show higher likelihood of agreement and greater concessionary behavior than an than an audit committee that does not encourage perspective. Perspective can also impact the negotiation different way. Solution shift clause. We support this finding in experiment 2. No, you cannot include this paper. Do director network matter for financial reporting quality? Evidence from audit committee correctness. Yeah, we can include this paper. Involvement of board chairman in audit committee and earnings management. Board chairman. Okay. This paper can be included. Board members with style, the effect of audit committee members and their personal styles on financial reporting. Audit committee members and their personal financial reporting choices. Okay, you can include this paper. The role of audit committee in improving voluntarily disclosure. Few study on Jordanian insurance. The role of audit committee in improving voluntary disclosure. Voluntary disclosure. We have to see whether financial reporting quality has been discussed over here or not. Audit committee is present. The audit committee plays a major role in corporate governance regarding the organization's direction, control, or accountability. As well as the board of directors and the main part of corporate governance mechanism, the audit committee is involved in both internal and external audit in terms of control of accounting, financial reporting, and regulatory compliance and risk management. The study also provide an explanation between audit committee role and voluntary disclosure and how audit committee tries to enhance the role of voluntary disclosure among Jordanian insurance companies. This is a month of change 24 companies. We concentrated on two roles, reviewing accounting policy and risk management. US voluntary disclosure question distributed all audit committee members in the insurance company. Question here. Okay, you can include this paper. The role of audit characteristics, earning management, and audit committee. Okay, you can include this paper because earnings management and audit committee is present in the title. Does managerial ownership, audit committee, and audit quality moderate the effect of fundamental financial reporting on company value? You can include this paper because both variables are present into your title. Audit committee versus other governance mechanism and the effect of investment opportunities. Evidence from Palestine. You have to see Audit committee is present, but financial reporting quality we have to see. Substitute audit committee. It also found that investment efforts in direct and effective moderating factor that strengthen the relationship between audit quality and formation of audit committee. The study provides valuable insight into the interaction between multiple corporate governance mechanisms where the external is high and investment percentage are constrained to the decision of the occupying authority. The finding may have regulated the policy maker influencing alongside those of countries with similar environmental features to devise and update the corporate governance code to ensure the best control can be subsequently attracting more foreign and domestic. No, this paper cannot be included into your list because इसके अंदर audit committee ने discuss किया हुआ लेकिन फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी जो है उस हवाले से कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है द टाइम डिपेंडेंस ऑफ ऑडिट फर्म इफेक्ट एविडेंस फ्रॉम ऑडिट कमेटी अगेन इधर भी इसी तरह का मसला है नज़र आ रहा है we find that presence of audit firm alumni who have recently left their former employment with higher audit quality while we fail to find a significant effect on article with regard to alumni AFA audit from alumni who have left audit firms longer period of time ago. In addition, the presence of AFA and AC does not seem to affect audit fee, the best of our knowledge. No, you cannot include this paper because financial reporting quality is not discussed. Do gender diversity recommendation in corporate governance code matter evidence from audit committees? So audit committee again here present, but I think consistent with limited supply, we will find a positive aspect with an audit committee, gender diversity, audit quality. Weekend after you can include this paper because financial reporting quality is also audit quality. Okay, is audit committee equity compensation related to audit fee? I have to see the abstract. Mm, Sovereign inflation assumes that audit committees can independently determine audit fees. Critics of the efficiency of sections generally in response the SEC issued a concept release in 2015 calling for public disclosure of the process that audit committee follows for determining auditor compensation. Motivated by these calls and widespread use of stocks and adoption to compensate firms independent directors who examined recently and granted the audit committee members an audit fee. Using a sample of 3685 firm, their observation during 2017 will find a negative relation between audit committee equity compensation and audit fee consistent with larger equity pay, inducing audit committee members to compromise independence. This paper cannot be included because ये audit committee और ऑडिट कमेटी तो है लेकिन फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी इसमें नहीं है ऑडिट कमेटी फीचर्स एंड सीएसआर डिस्क्लोजर एडिशनल एविडेंस फ्रॉम इमर्जिंग मार्केट आई थिंक इसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है with the content of financial reporting quality. Additionally, AC independence and AC ownership positive influence CSR disclosure have limited general due to the specific character of the sample which is from a developing country. However, they have implications and value for policymaker and different stakeholders interested in improving CSR initiative. The findings are also significant in reducing agency cost and enhancing corporate transparency. Within the limits of author knowledge, this is among first to provide preliminary evidence on the effect of audit committee feature on CSR decision emerging. No, you cannot include this paper. The effect of audit committee characteristics on earnings management okay, this paper is relevant. Depressing earnings management influence in corporation, the role of audit quality audit committee. This paper is relevant. Effect of audit quality and audit committee characteristics on earnings management. Paper is relevant. The role of audit committee in improving earnings quality. Paper is relevant. The impact of board and audit committee characteristics on corporate social evidence from Iranian stock exchange. We have to see whether फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी इज प्रेजेंट इन इट और नॉट बिकॉज ये दूसरा वेरिएबल जो है वो CSR से रेलिवेंट है on CSR and financial audit committee member had a significant effect on CSR. The present study is first research performed on the effect of board audit committee characteristics on CSR in Iran. They contributed leadership on the effect of board audit committee characteristics on CSR and provides suggest for capital market participants. CSR helps to reduce asymmetric of information among the internet. Yes, इसमें वो नहीं present financial reporting quality, so you cannot include this paper. So अगर ये 20 papers का sample देखें तो इसमें 4 5 6 6 papers जो हैं वो include नहीं करने हमने. So number 4, number 11, number 12, number 14, number 15, number 20. Okay, so you have to improve your list, and again your documents are short. 150 documents you have presented over here, लेकिन ये 348 total documents है, तो almost कोई 250 plus documents आपके होने चाहिए आपकी लिस्ट के अंदर, फिर ये रीजनेबल लिस्ट जो है वो कंसिडर की जाएगी. आप जो है फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग क्वालिटी जो है उसको भी देखने की ज़रूरत है, और ऑडिट कमेटी, ये दोनों वेरिएबल दोनों एट ए टाइम एग्जिस्ट करने चाहिए. अगर करेंगे तो आप उनको इंक्लूड करोगे, अदरवाइज आपको इंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहिए.